In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your product shipping for your store in Squarespace. Whether you're just starting out or simply looking to refine your shipping strategies, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and efficient, allowing you to manage your store's logistics with confidence. Let's begin by accessing your Squarespace account. First, click on Login on the homepage. If you have multiple ways to log in, select Continue with Google for a quick entry if your account is linked. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on the website you're managing today. Now that you're inside your site's interface, let's navigate to the key settings. Look for and click on Settings. This is your go-to place for controlling various aspects of your online store, from domain settings to e-commerce configurations. Next, let's find the Selling tab. Click on it, as this houses all the options relevant to your products and the way you get them to your customers. Once in the Selling section, you'll see an option labeled Shipping. Click on Shipping and you'll find yourself in the space where all the shipping magic happens. You'll notice an Add Shipping option button. Click this to begin setting up your new shipping method. You'll now be prompted to choose a shipping method. For simplicity and a clear, predictable customer experience, select Flat Rate. Flat rate shipping is a popular choice for many online businesses because it offers a fixed shipping fee regardless of weight or size, which can simplify your pricing strategy. Now it's time to add specific details for your shipping option. Firstly, type in the shipping option name. This could be something straightforward like standard shipping, which will clearly communicate to your customers what they're selecting during checkout. Next, define and input your shipping fee. Consider your costs, margins, and customer preferences when setting this fee. Offering competitive shipping rates can be a key factor in reducing shopping cart abandonment. Following this, choose the country where this shipping option will apply. Whether you're offering shipping domestically or internationally, specify this to ensure the shipping options align with your business's capabilities and logistics strategies. Finally, after reviewing all the details you've entered, click on Save. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up a shipping option in your Squarespace store. By tailoring these settings, you ensure that shipping from your store is both clear and efficient, enhancing the overall customer experience. And there you have it, a quick, easy process to handle shipping on Squarespace, enabling you to focus more on growing your business and less on the logistics. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more tips and tutorials designed to help your business thrive.